We probably know that the choice between is and are depends on a noun. In most sentences, the noun comes before the verb, but in the sentences that begin with there is and there are, the noun appears later. We use there is and there are when we first refer to the existence or presence of someone or something. Let's look at the type of sentence that we can use in the positive, negative, and question form. Here is the table form to use them. Let's take a look at the examples given. The first example is, there is a letter on your desk. Julia brought it from the mailroom. Here is a positive form. In another form, we can add isn't or not in a negative sentence. For example, there isn't a girl in my class who can speak 4 languages. To ask a question, we can change the position to be in the first sentence. For example, is there a cat in the backyard? In the previous sentence, letter, girl, and cat are singular, so it requires there is. Hence, use there is when the noun is singular. What about there are? Well, let's have a look at the first example. There are people walking down the street. Here is a positive form. In another form, we can add aren't or not in a negative sentence. For example, there aren't 3 Japanese students in my class. To ask a question, it is similar to there is. So just by changing the position, like this example, are there big planes in the airport today? In the previous sentences, people, students, and planes are plural, so it requires there are. Hence, use there are when the noun is plural. In conclusion, the choice between phrases there is and there are at the beginning of a sentence is determined by the noun that follows it. So, in theory, we use there is plus singular and there are plus plural. Now let's practice.